Hi guys, welcome to my channel MateABC English. I want to show you how to resolve a problem that is for competitive exams like Math Olympiad. So the question says like this. If the area of a circle is 1 meter squared, how long is the area of triangle ABC? So I encourage you guys to pause the video and try to figure it out. So first of all, the question says that this is a regular hexagon. In order to get the central angle, like the angle AOB, this is 360 degrees divided by the sides. In this case is 6. So we have that this is 60 degrees. Another situation that we have to consider in this problem is that in this triangle AOB, we have that the side AO equals to the side OB because they are radius of the circle. So we have this angle equals 60 degrees, but we have that if this is also a triangle, this angle equals this. So the angle OAB equals the angle OBA. We have from Euclid's that the sum of internal angles add up 180 degrees. So if we call this alpha, we have alpha plus 60 degrees. If we pass it to the other side, subtracting, we have that 2 alpha equals 120 degrees, and this is equal 60 degrees. So the triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. If this AOB is an equilateral triangle, so does it, and so does this triangle. So we also need to consider this information. We have a parallelogram OCBA because this is an equilateral triangle, and also this. We have that this angle equals to this because they are equal to 60 degrees. This means that AB is parallel to OC. And also we have this angle equals to this angle because these are 60 degrees. So the side AO is parallel to BC. So this is a parallelogram, but also we have that this is the midpoint. From propositions of parallelograms, if this side, if we call this M, we have OM equals MB, and also AM equals MC. And finally, this angle equals 90 degrees because if this is the midpoint and we have these are equal, this is the mediatrix of the segment OB. So that means that the triangle OMA is congruent to the triangle BMC, and also means that this area the area of the triangle OMA equals to the area of triangle BMC. So what does it mean? Well, it means that this area equals to this. So the question to the problem says that find the area of a triangle ABC equals to find the area of this triangle AOB. I encourage you guys to resolve it by your own and try to figure it out. So this is the first part, and in the second part I will answer this question. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel, MateABC English, and I hope you guys to see you in my next videos. Bye.